This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This covers the right turn from Chudleigh to Bovey Tracey. That's the fourth exit. As we come onto the slip road, there's a sign on the left that confirms that. Looking ahead for road markings, it's only the middle lane for Bovey Tracey. Although we'll be turning right, we're not going to use the right-hand lane. That only goes to Heathfield. Both Bovey Tracey and Heathfield are the same exit, but different destinations after the roundabout, so it's important we position correctly. We've had to stop at the lights. There is a yellow box ahead of us. We need to make sure we can get safely off the other side of that box when the light changes to green. The yellow boxes must be kept clear. The lane on the left is going off to Newton Abbot, so we're going to continue on the roundabout and become the new left lane. It's a good idea to check on your left side as you do this, just to make sure that no bikes or anything else is coming up on that left-hand side. We've had to stop at the lights. That's quite common on this roundabout, so always make sure you're checking those traffic lights. We're just about to move off. Again, there's a yellow box which we need to make sure we've kept clear. The vehicle in front is leaving the roundabout. That's the second exit. Remember, we're taking the fourth. So we're going to continue in the left-hand lane around the roundabout. We're about to approach the third exit for Liverton. Looking ahead, there's no yellow box at this part of the roundabout. Just about to move off, following round, the vehicle in front has left the roundabout. We're going to continue in the left-hand lane to take the exit. Watch out particularly on your left-hand side here as you exit the roundabout. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?